Everybody, it's Eugene here, and remember the Forensic Photography Symposium is coming up January 16th to 19th, 2023, just a few weeks away. And with me, I have Muntawakilu Amadu, and he is going to be speaking on the importance of forensic photography. And he's also from Ghana, which gives us a very different perspective. Muntawakilu, please tell me, what is your presentation going to be about?
So forensic photography in general is not just about a documentation process. It largely incorporates the process of enhancement, which is either at the crime scene or in post-production, sometimes both. So I'm just chipping in this story. Some time back, there was this case that was being outsourced to us by a particular institution. So when we took charge of the case and then we were processing the scene, taking photographs, the institution had their crime scene photographer there who decided to join us to take extra photos. So at some point, he had to back out because he couldn't get good images. So after the event, I realized that he was shooting in automatic mode. If you look at the gear he had on scene, it was not well equipped for the task. So that is why he backed out. So I kind of wondered after on what were the quality of images that the institution or the photographer took in previous cases. So basically, in this symposium, I'm just going to talk about how this important field of forensic science is seldom kind of overlooked or undermined by institutions consciously and subconsciously, the negative implications it brings about, and bring up some solutions to that. As we both know that there is a vast difference between a forensic photographer and an individual who just happens to have a camera in his hand.
All right. Well, I appreciate that perspective. I think it's going to be great. The fact that you're from, another part of the world that is offering something that, maybe we don't have insight into. So definitely going to be there. I know you're on the schedule already. So folks, if you're interested, make sure you check the schedule and make sure that if you're interested, you can always register at the link above, and hopefully we'll see you there soon. Thank you, Muntawakilu.
Thank you for the platform, Eugene.